Hey guys, it's Paul here and welcome back to another video where I'm basically going to be showing you how to upload your status on WhatsApp using a voice note. This is a feature you'll be able to get if you're currently using the latest version of WhatsApp. I believe almost everyone has updated their WhatsApp and they're using the latest version. Alright, so to do this, you simply open your WhatsApp. Then you're going to go to this status option where you normally put your statuses. And just like you'd always put a status, go to this pen or pencil icon right here, which you'd always choose if in case you wanted to write anything. So this screen is going to appear. And here, instead of writing anything, you're going to go to this new option of a mic. It's a mic option, so you simply tap on it and you say anything you would like to pass on as a voice note on your WhatsApp status. So for instance, I'm going to be like, subscribe to this channel and give a like to this video. I'm saying yes guys, go ahead and do that in case you haven't. Alright, so after that, simply let go of this and you can listen to the voice note and see if it's indeed up to your liking. If not, you can go ahead and delete using this delete icon right here. You can also change the color of the background colors you'd always do with the text. So it's right here, you can change the background. And unfortunately, you won't be able to put a caption to your status. So at the moment, it's going to be like this. You simply go ahead, tap on the upload option right here. So tap on upload, just like that, your status will be updated.